Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can approve tagged post on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. Okay guys, so open Facebook. Now on the top left corner of the screen you will see your profile image. Tap there. Okay, now next to your edit profile you will see these three horizontal dots. Tap there. Okay, now scroll and you will see review posts and text. Tap there. So this is where you will see all the posts you are tagged in. So what you have to do, just go to the bottom of this post and you will see add to profile. If you tap on add to profile, this means it's approved and it will be added to your profile. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can approve tagged post on Facebook. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.